Do you want to minimize YouTube on your iPhone so that you can use other apps while watching a video? It's very simple to do. There's 2 steps. So step 1 would be going over to your settings, go over to General, and then scroll down until you see where it says Picture in Picture. So you could just make sure that this is toggled on. This is going to allow your iPhone to have picture in picture so that you can use 2 things at one time. So make sure that is toggled on. So go ahead and back out of here. And you want to go to the YouTube app. So once you're here, you want to go to the U section at the bottom right-hand corner and the gear icon at the top right corner. So from here, once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down until you see where you say playback. And then the same thing here, picture in picture. You want to make sure that this is toggled on. Certain apps will have this specific setting for itself, so you want to make sure that both of these are turned on. So once they're turned on, you should really have no problem being able to use this feature. So I have a video here. I'm just going to hit play. And then you want to swipe up. And that's it. It's very easy to do. Just play the video and swipe up, and the picture should be minimized on your iPhone. Go ahead and use 2 hands or 2 fingers to make the video smaller or larger. You can have it at the bottom of your screen, the top of your screen, whatever your preference. And that's it. It's super easy to minimize YouTube on your iPhone.